Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today, we're going to check out my newest listing here at 216 Cambria Court in Mauldin, South Carolina. This home is conveniently located close to the highways, easy access to downtown Greenville, close to Woodruff Road, so plenty of shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. Inside, it's a 3-level townhouse with a 1-car garage. On the main level, there's a bedroom and a full bath on the main level. There's patio space on that main level as well. The second level, there's a deck area, open floor plan. On the third level are the 2 additional bedrooms. There's absolutely no carpet in this house, so it's all luxury vinyl floors and tile floors. Even the stairs has hardwood stairs as well. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. On this first level, you have the garage, there's a bedroom and a full bath on this level. The laundry room is also on this level as well. Let's check it out.
Let me show you something.
On this second level, you have the open living room that opens up to the dining area. The kitchen has a breakfast area as well. There's a pantry closet in the kitchen. There's a half bath on this level, and there's also a deck out back. Let's check it out. And on the third level, you have the owner's suite with the walk-in closet. There's an additional bedroom as well. All the stairs are all hardwood stairs. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed our tour. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who may be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.